Okay, here's the final installment. We got this drive connected to power already. And then we have this cable, which is the USB cable, USB 3.0 specifically. And it has this end. This end needs to be plugged into the laptop. And I'm going to plug it in on this side right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in. Be real gentle. At first it doesn't seem to fit at all, and pull it back out, maybe flip it over. But when you get plugged in right, you can let it go and it's not going to fall out. If you plug it in the wrong way and you force it, you're going to break. And if you don't force it, it's just going to simply fall to the table. It's going to simply fall to the table, so it's not a good idea to shove it and break it. Okay. Then after we plugged in data, we come back over here to the drive and we take this switch and switch it from 0 to 1. And if we notice, there's the 1 on top and there's the 0 on the bottom. Okay. Now we can hear the drive, we could hear the PC just went beep ding, and we also have the LED on the front. If that LED is not lit up, it's more than likely not actually turned on. So let's give it a second. Okay, so now take a look at the laptop screen. It should be very similar in your case. When you plug in your laptop, you might have a screen that looks like this. Keep your memory safe. We don't want to use this window for this. We're going to actually do our own system image backup. Even though Microsoft Windows is trying to help us, we don't want to make use of this. So we just take a mouse and click on Never for this device. And look, the window disappears. If we look back over at the external drive, we still have the blue LED and got some drive activity. And we can go ahead and move forward with our next step. On the keyboard, we want to hit the Windows Start key, that's this one, the flag key as I call it, and the letter X by hitting this key and that key together, letting go, and then this menu pops up. Then we take our mouse and come down here to Control Panel, click on it, and this is where things start getting maybe a little bit different, or maybe to the point where we need you to remember how we're having you get to the system image creation steps. Okay, so I'm going to do this. This is Windows 8.1. It might be a little bit different than yours, so I'm going to stop this video clip and then I'm going to create a separate one for the system image creation phase of this entire thing. Alright, I'll catch you in a second.